Hi, today I'm furnishing Poco M5s and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner on the power key button, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, with a simple touch, I'm not press the power button, I just only simple touch it. I just unlocked the device less than in 1 second. This is the good result for the fingerprint unlock method. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is at less secure than the pin code or passcodes unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.